Hey everybody, how's everybody going, man? Oh.
Careful.
Yeah, Rachel here came home to fix us lunch. But on the way, you got a flat tire, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, she got a flat tire. And
then we have a shortcut.
so she came home with just a tire. I'm like, where's the rest of the bike? She left it someplace where she doesn't want it to be serviced, so we're going to have to move the bike from one shop to another. So anyways, we're walking through the jungle. Through the jungle. Check this out. We're walking through the jungle. Nice and cool path. And this will take us to the main road where I guess we'll grab a trike. Yeah, and it'll take us to the shop.
Okay, folks, I know I told you 6 months ago that it was happening. Today it's really happening.
Hi, I'm Jim.
To the shop where the bike's at, right? Yeah. And then we'll transfer it to the other shop that you wanted to. Huh? Oh. What's up?
Oo, ginpirit na dahan lalaki ng interior. Bimpo ng balbula.
It's one of the jungle natives. Now that's Rachel's brother-in-law. What was his name again?
Hubin.
Hubin?
Yes, Hubin.
Hubin. That's
Yeah.
Hubin.
Be careful with the rock.
And he's been climbing coconut trees.
Yeah.
And doing some crazy stuff with them.
Careful.
What's that?
It's a cat tree.
Oh,
Like this one.
don't step on those, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Anyways, yeah, we're cutting through this jungle here and heading to the main road and get this bike taken care of.
Yep.
Then we'll get to the shop. Then we got some errands to run, and we'll just go from there. It's an interesting place. Looks like a two-story. Yeah, today I'm just wearing my adventure sandals.
Adventure sandals?
These are my adventure sandals.
But it's smiling now.
Yeah, it's got I call this my Roman gladiator shoes, and it's actually kind of falling apart because it's gotten wet a bunch of times. But it's still hanging in there. I think it's imitation leather.
Imitation leather?
Yeah, imitation leather. Hi, dog. Please be nice. Please be nice.
It would be nice.
Probably heard us talking. So. Yeah, we'll get something to eat downtown or something. Or Krispy Kreme or something.
I like burger.
More dogs.
Don't fight us because we don't eat a dog.
I bite back. We bite back. Okay. Here's the main road.
Yeah.
This way goes toward Guiuan. That goes toward Tacloban. It's like the main highway. Yeah, I got a cool story about this road. Oh, is this come? Yeah. No.
This one? Or we can drop first this one.
Yeah, well, we're going to take care of the bike first.
Yeah.
Yes, take care of the bike first. Then while they're working on that, then we can knock off our other stuff. We have arrived.
Yeah.
Alright. Look out for the bike.
May central, kay mapobra kita 3.5. May central, kay mapobra kita 3.5. Oo, katong ubro nga ni... Oh, direct bulik. Iya, kay Portis ako. Bulik. Pag-Portis niya, ako nag-bulik. Ay, tanay kaya tagpayan ura-ura. Mata di pahira. Mudo-mudo dito.
So where's the shop at? Yeah?
Is there with the Central, a rural bank? No, not rural bank, rural Central. What is rural Central? It's a mini house there, center. The one we go there. Rural health center. That's it.
Okay.
Oo, na may bike. Natahap ako, babaling ko nga dito sa masya. Kaya ang balbula nagawas, pagkaya nung pagtanggalan niya, tanggal ng balbula. Hindi ko rin magkakita pa ito kung ligwatan. Hindi ligwatan ada.
Mga Paul, Pilipinong Paul.
Para makamayan ako ng pinabulkit.
Yeah. How much?
Magrara 40, 50 hen. Ayun na kuya. Salamat. Thank you. Oo.
Have a good day.
Okay. It's alright.
Fancy driving there. All right, let's go check it out. Oh, there it is. Yeah. Are you gonna put the tire back on? Oh, it's right there?
Hey, yeah.
How you gonna get it there?
Kuya.
You don't need his help?
Wait.
Oh, look at this. Here, you gonna hold that food? Let me hold that.
No. You just put it here and then we're gonna
Oh, he's got it?
over there.
What,
We'll just buy you some tires.
yeah.
Kaya tumakit to? Wala. Saan to kaya ito nakatawag?
Interior.
Hello.
Oo.
Yeah. How you doing?
I'm good.
Good.
It's a brother Blindo.
Awesome. So you need to buy a tire first?
Yeah, tire.
A tire and an inner tube.
Interior.
Okay. Do we buy it from him? Who are we buying it from?
This one.
I guess. Okay.
Waray mo didi, waray. Diri pa, papalit na kami kwan. Pupili lang kami ng ano.
Yeah, tire shop.
Yeah, di ka. Kuya? Kailan mo lang yung interior?
Interior composite.
170 the interior.
Huh?
170 the interior.
I
You
didn't
will
hear
get
you.
it? The interior, like that. The interior of the bike is all 170. You will get it?
Yes. Whatever
Okay,
it takes.
sige ko.
Yes, let's do it. Whatever it takes.
Ano pa, alapin na tiyat labor?
Did you say 170? I thought it'd be more than that.
Okay. Kuha na lang ito eh.
So how much is it?
650, tapos interior, 170. Sige.
For the inner tube.
Yeah.
I'm an interior.
Ito, kuha na lang. Sige. Kuha na lang. Di nila ako magpapayad.
Be careful with stuff.
This is, I told you, this is a cousin of my cousin. This is a cousin. Of
Yeah, that's good, man.
Jessica.
That's all right. That's cool.
Yeah.
I'm old oil worker, so don't worry about it. Hey,
And this is the brother of Lindo.
Awesome.
Lindo Kaghit.
Yeah.
Oto ka na matanda ng kutsura.
Mhm.
Ano niya ka ng pangkulam? Ini?
What's that?
Ko pangkulam.
Car sealer.
Tire sealer.
Aw, asan niya?
Ang tubeless.
Yeah, that,
Pero sagot nga amo
yeah,
nindo, bike.
that wouldn't work.
Kasi tak
Oh, they got
fender.
fenders here.
Yes.
But it's not the size of our bike, huh?
Yeah, ours got a crack right there, and so it's wobbling around.
Your fender in the front.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's
that's
the-
common for that
the common
model.
problem.
Yeah.
The bike.
I know I did some research, and
Yes. But you can buy it a replacement.
yeah, that or there's also a kit you could get that with these brackets you
Yes,
can put
yes.
in there. That'll help.
But the plastic is not good.
Yeah,
The plastic is not durable enough.
right. We could go eat and come back. I'm starved. Just want to go eat.
You just walk?
Let's walk. Let's go eat and then come back. I'm starved.
Diri, tawad na lang tire. Kung ang interior, tawad na lang tire. Tapos patawad na lang niya. Kaya man nagtanggal.
That's not
Pag
Mountain.
nila yan, labor.
That
Ano?
no, that's not Mountain Dew.
Kuha na lang dito yung interior, dadangan, itatawad na ito, niya simbol. Tapos yun na lang magkakabit dito, right? Dito na lang.
Aw, nga ba't magkakabit?
Yun na lang, kaya yan na nagtanggal.
Tapos it labor.
Yan nga dito.
This is city. Waray man kapitan ko an. Ani ba kay may mga kapit nag-ubos. Size lang era na amon city. Waray man ubos eh.
Aray.
Waray. Re-report tayo, kawala ka ng mga nakuhan. Pera, 4. Re-report kayo ka na hiya dispatcher. Pwede na mag-inom. Ali, orderos ka kahon.
Right, you can be pulling.
Awesome. Oh, I want to go watch.
Be careful.
Kurt. Woo. Watch how he does this.
Pre, ay pasil, bala nga 24.
Straightforward, simple enough.
Pogi, halika dito, Pogi. Hilingin mo, Pogi. Yan, ay, oy. Woo!
Yeah, it's going to ride a whole lot better with that new tire, that's for sure. Nice. Now the front tire, she says, already been replaced, so it's newer than the original. The last tire was the original tire, lasted 5,000 miles. So it looks like every 5,000, get tire change. go pay for this bad boy. There you go, hold that. You pay for it.
It's okay now?
Yeah, it's all right. There you go.
Diri malian nato ng pagbuto.
How much was that again?
Pera pa daw kuya. Ano pag nagkutakan on ha?
How much was that?
Pera nga tanan.
70.
Tapos 650 lang isa na lang.
Okay, thank you. Uli na hilo. Uli na. Ano diri yung tagan mo na?
Aray pa.
Aray pa.
Let's bring 1,000 anyways.
Okay. 850?
700 lang.
700.
Ang kuan, ano ni nala bayarin nala.
Di, bayaran na lang ng mga tanan.
Bayaran ko na lang.
Oo. Sige.
170 ngayon 700. 870.
Patalan na lang.
That'll work.
Tadong ko lang, di kay gagamiton ko itong tubig.
Yeah, not that. Okay.
Okay, careful ha.
All right.
Hindi kami, thank you. Kuya na pa.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
It's been awesome. Sorry.
Kaya na lang yung auto, nga. Sakay ko no.
No. No. No, I'm not drinking, thank you.
1 in 1.
Yeah, I want the good horse.
Red horse. Not bite your
That's all right.
Hindi na kami nagkagulo.
Time to go.
Ano man? Nakuha niyo? Nakuha niyo ano?
Okay, you turn around.
Hey, hold this.
Careful. Yan, beda pa. Yan, daw patang gastuhan. Okay? Okay, it's okay right now.
Go feed your mother.
Yeah, we will buy for what's that? Fish or meat like that. And then we will eat first before we.
We gotta bring that to your mom, right?
Yeah. We will buy food. Okay.
We gotta get that.
Yeah.
Where are we going?
In the park, in the market. I will buy some a fish. For already cooked. Be careful, there's some frog in it. Salamat. See that guy that's wearing pink? It's the one guy that hold that one. So I don't like to say that.